Every morning, millions of people wake up feeling like they're already losing. Not because their life is bad, but because someone else's life looks better. Before their feet even touch the floor, they've already seen someone's promotion, someone's vacation, someone's perfect life. And suddenly, their own life feels small. But what if I told you you were never behind in life? You've just been measuring yourself with the wrong ruler. Let me tell you a story. In a quiet town near the sea lived a young man named Noah. Noah had a strange talent. His hands could fix almost anything. Broken radios, old clocks, dead engines. If something stopped working, people brought it to Noah. And somehow, he always found a way to bring it back to life. For Noah, fixing things wasn't just work, it was peace. When he worked, the noise in his mind disappeared. But despite this gift, Noah felt like he was falling behind. His childhood friend Marcus had just landed a powerful corporate job in the city. Expensive suits, luxury apartment, big salary. Everyone talked about Marcus. Then there was Noah's older brother, Caleb. Confident, charismatic, the kind of person who could walk into any room and instantly own it. People admired Caleb. Noah looked at both of them and quietly wondered something painful. Why am I not like them? Slowly, the joy he once felt while working began disappearing. Maybe fixing broken machines in a small garage wasn't enough. Maybe he had chosen the wrong life. One afternoon, an older man named Mr. Cole walked into his shop. He handed Noah an old vintage watch. While Noah worked, Mr. Cole watched him silently. After a while, he said something unexpected. "You don't look like someone who enjoys what he's doing." Noah forced a smile. "I'm fine." Mr. Cole shook his head. "I didn't ask if you were fine. I asked if you enjoy it." Something about that question broke Noah's silence. And for the first time, he told someone everything. The comparison, the doubt, the feeling that he was falling behind in life. Mr. Cole stood up. "Come outside," he said. Behind the shop was a small courtyard. Wild plants grew along the walls. Mr. Cole pointed to a fast-growing vine climbing the stone wall. That vine grew 3 feet last month. Then he pointed to a tiny bonsai tree sitting in the pot. That bonsai has been growing for 11 years and it's still this small. Then he asked Noah a simple question. Which one is growing wrong? Noah looked at both plants. Neither. They're just different. Mr. Cole smiled. Exactly. The vine grows fast and wide. The bonsai grows slowly and carefully. If the vine tried to grow like the vine, it would lose the one thing that makes it special. Then he looked straight at Noah. Marcus is built for business. Caleb is built for people. But you bring broken things back to life. Do you know how rare that is? Then he said something Noah would never forget. You're not behind in life. You've just been measuring a bonsai with the vine's ruler. Something changed inside Noah that day. He stopped looking at other people's paths. He focused on his own craft. Slowly, his skills became extraordinary. Word began spreading across nearby towns. People started saying the same thing. If Noah can't fix it, no one can. He never became famous. He never wore expensive suits. But every morning he woke up with something many successful people secretly chase. Peace. Years later, a young boy asked Noah, "How do you become really good at something?" Noah smiled and replied, "Stop watching what everyone else is becoming. Find what you were built for, and show up for it every single day, even when nobody notices." Because the truth is simple. The bonsai will never be the vine. The vine will never be the bonsai. But both, growing in their own way, are beautiful. You were never behind. You were just growing differently.